Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 5th of June, 2023. Real quick, going to do a video on Snowflake, give you all a stock price prediction for this instrument. We're going to see whether or not if this stock is going to be Wall Street's next biggest stock, i.e., is it going to go higher? Okay. Now, first, let's talk about our last price prediction. You guys can see we did a video in Snowflake on October the 11th, 2022. We haven't touched this stock since then. We haven't generated a price prediction since that time, and you guys can see we were correct in our analysis. So okay, I'm not surprised the market in Snowflake hasn't done anything outside of that trading range. We just merely seen the price in Snowflake consolidate. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less has gone on in Snowflake. So could we possibly see the market in Snowflake break out of this trading range? First, congratulations to those who's able to get that 18.38% out the market. Then, now let's look forward. Okay, so first thing we're going to do, we're going to address that. We're going to take note that Snowflake has merely consolidated. That has been the current trajectory price action in the market for Snowflake, right? So we're going to do that first. Okay, and it may seem as if the market in Snowflake may try to break outside of the range. So I definitely want us to follow that. Okay, if that's going to happen, we definitely want to participate in that breakout, right? So this is just a general range as to where the majority of the trades has occurred since the ending of last year to the current date to date. Now, zooming in, I want you all to understand that what occurred on the last trading day in Snowflake right here, when you look at that price action, the market attempted to break $180, $181. It tried, but looking at where the price closed on the low, it tells me that sellers are still currently in Snowflake. So this area is still playing a major role as to why price currently is not breaking out. Okay, basically off of the price action, the performance of the market right there on June the 2nd is telling me that sellers are here. Okay, so this is letting us know literally you need to be careful and don't expect a breakout right now. That's what it's saying. Okay, cool. Here it is on the 2 weeks though. Again, you're seeing how the performance of the market on this 2-day price bar, which concludes in the next 8 hours and 55 minutes, but it's telling us that sellers are here. When you see these type of price bars, you want to pause. It's telling you that you don't want to come in and buy the stock yet. Here it is on the 3-day. Okay. Here it is on the 5. Hold on. This is where we're getting the premise, the potential to see Snowflake break outside of this consolidational trading range right here. Why would I say that? Well, look at this on the 5. We have one indicator of weakness, a fake and a push to go down bar, 2 weakness indicators on the first 5 days, and then immediately we come right back up with a push to go up bar of strength. That tells you that this market bought whoever sold their Snowflake the prior 5 days. Now it still tells me how the market on this 5-day price bar in Snowflake closed, that people are still here selling. Okay, so that's, if anything, I'm still telling you had to be careful and cautious because sellers is still being seen. This is not an emphatic the price in Snowflake is going to break out of this consolidational range. We're seeing hints that that's a potential thing that can happen, especially here on the 5-day. Look at Snowflake on the weekly. You're getting the same type of price bar, right? We got one indicator on the weekly the prior week, and then the market came back up, but only to get hit at $180, which we've already told you is resistance. This is where the sellers are selling. Okay, here it is on the 2. This is a probable precursor of strength right here on the 2 weeks in Snowflake, which tells me with the high amount of volume that came in, is telling me that yeah, buyers came in the market in Snowflake. Okay, here it is on the 3. In the next 11 days and 9 hours, right? We have 2 weeks. This 3 weekly price bar is going to be real important. If I see the market in the next 11 days, 9 hours, close up here at the high end off of the weakness that came in prior to, then yeah, the market is increasing its ability to break out and could possibly hit 200 bucks. Okay, here it is on the 5 weeks. I like this 5-weekly chart too. So I'm definitely seeing strength in the market in Snowflake on the weekly or the longer term charts. That 5-weekly price bar there is telling me that this market is really trying to go up. $200 will have to be our first target, and then like 215. Well, I would say like 210 would be our second. $210. Okay. Now I'm through. Okay, so since I don't really cover this stock on a day-to-day basis, I'm going to look from this prediction from a longer standpoint, i.e. we can still see the market in Snowflake go down. So let me give you something else to be on the lookout for. Okay, seeing the market in Snowflake go down, we don't want to see the market go no lower than this ascending line. Okay, so we're going to base our analysis, our prediction off of how low market goes. So let me show you all what I got. We're going to look for the price in Snowflake to go higher. Okay, and we don't want to see the market in Snowflake go no lower than, I really like 160, but I'm going to bring it down to like 155. So that's around 12%. Okay, it's around 12%. So we don't want to see the market fall no lower than 154, 155, give or take. And then that first target, we're going to do a small target. The first one is going to be right here at resistance, since we've told you already that this is where sellers are. So that would be our first target. It's not a lot, but we like to win here on this particular channel. That gives us 3.25% profitability to see the market of Snowflake hit $180. Okay, my second target though is up here around 200. You guys can see that gives us around 13, almost 14%. And then our third target is going to be around 210. That's 19.82% move to the upside. Okay, that is it. I am done. Give me yours, your price prediction, your forecast, and let me know. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.